Cleveland Cavaliers and our great corporate and community partner, Goodyear, are so excited to be here today for Akron Public Schools Buchtel Community Learning Center for the official grand opening of the newly renovated middle school STEM lab.
We're really fortunate and honored to be here today. And as we continue our commitment to the community, we're excited and proud to join efforts with our friends and partners at Goodyear to support STEM education in both Akron Public Schools and the Cleveland Municipal School District, with $1 million in funding, with $500,000 going to Akron and $500,000 going to Cleveland, and allocated $100,000 per year for each school district over the course of a 5-year period. It's truly a great commitment of support to the youth in our community. The first year of support was spent on all types of fun items that one needs to make a STEM lab: Legos, mini robots, maker gear items, MacBooks, and more. And then in year 2, it was about paint, furniture, and work tablets. We've worked with Goodyear and your school district to make this middle school STEM lab a great place to learn, create, and innovate for students here today and for all the students who will walk through the halls of Buchtel CLC in the future.
We're in our second season with the Cavs, and 2 seasons ago when we announced our partnership, it was important to the Cavs that there be a component of giving back to the community, both in Cleveland and in Akron. And because we share a focus and an interest in STEM education, it was a natural fit. And this is an example of what we're able to do to harness our company's resources and put these together.
This launch is more than just a STEM lab. It's really starting to embrace you, students at the middle school level, to start your journey to the high school, college, and career academy so that you're better prepared for those. This lab will enable Buchtel students to explore, collaborate, and develop and create. All of this due to the fine partnership that the Cleveland Cavs and Goodyear bring to the table.
This space is outstanding. So much creativity, so much things. These young people made these griffins, and it took them almost an hour to make the little ones, and maybe the big ones 3 hours on the machine. They have so much technology. That's what makes this different. So much hands-on. They're having fun. Education is fun now. They can see their work being created right before their eyes.
Throughout the coming days and weeks and years, we know that Buchtel students will learn how to innovate, create, design, build, and of course, critically think. We also know that in this very space, we might have the future Katherine Johnson, the woman behind Hidden Figures. We may have Mae Jemison, an astronaut. We may very well have Neil deGrasse Tyson, an astrophysicist, as well as a TV show host. We may even have, dare I say, the future Nipsey Hussle in the room, who will make sure that there are community-based maker spaces in all of our urban areas. So who am I talking about? I'm talking about each and every one of you who have the capacity, the very seeds of brilliance. So we cannot wait to see what you can do. So let me see, show me something I can do.
My favorite thing about a robot is the push-ups.
I think it'll help us learn a lot more, and I think it'll help set guidelines for what we want to do in high school and what we want to do after that.
Like our page on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our channel on YouTube.